Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we're learning how to open font preview in your laptop. So you can see here I'm using Windows 11 OS. So simply click Start menu, then search about Control Panel. After that, you will get these sections, Control Panel. Open that, then open Font section. You can see here there is Font section. Click that, then you will get this page. Okay, sorry, you can see here there is 80 items default by Windows 11 OS. So I'm not installed any kind of fonts here. So we are simply checking the preview of symbol regular. Click that. Also you can right click, then select preview. Otherwise you can simply select any font, then you will get a preview option. Click that, then we can get the preview sections here. So this is a preview of fonts. So there is only one font style in this font, so it is showing like this. And some kind of fonts have multiple styles like Arial. So simply click that, right click, then click the preview, then you will get this kind of up to 5 pages. Each one is different. You can see here Arial bold, italic, Arial italic, open type. So there is another two is that Arial black, and you can see there is another one Arial. So here is the previews. So in this way you can simply preview any kind of fonts is installed on your laptop, PC, or Windows 11 OS. So that's guys very simple tutorial. And if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as video so I can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like and share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.